The Neweer LED light panel is a basic light panel that can be adjusted for color temperatures between 3200 and 5600K. The standard kit comes with a carry bag, the light and attached barn doors, and AC power supply and cables. Each light also comes with a stand. To adjust the stand, twist the adjustment knobs in various locations to set your desired height. There will be some tension to the knobs. Be sure to not loosen the bolts too much or else they will fall out. When finished, the stand should rest firmly on the ground and the legs should be far enough apart to keep the light from rocking to the sides. When the stand is set up, place the light directly on the stand and tighten the adjustment knob. The light can be powered by either 1 or 2 batteries, or it can be powered using the supplied power adapter. To use the adapter, simply plug it into the back of the unit and set the switch to adapter. Open the barn doors fully. These can be used to adjust the spread of the light and make it more focused on an area. The dials on the back of the light can be used to adjust the white and yellow bulbs in the light, creating different temperatures ranging from the orangish tungsten, or 3200K, to the whiter daylight temperature, or 5600K. You can also mix and match these temperatures for different effects.